after menopause, my eyebrows fell off, and I was getting kind of tired of having to draw them on because I never really knew what they should look like. You know, I don't remember my old eyebrows. So my daughter came for a visit and she surprised me, and oh, I just love them. It's just so wonderful. I mean, this is my second time coming just for the touch-up part, but even just the original one, I was happy with that. So it's been great. I just love them. And it's just so wonderful to just roll out of bed in the morning and wash your face and put on some lip gloss and you're ready for the day. Because, I mean, that's how I am. I don't wear any makeup or anything. But so it's been really good. And so I would recommend her to everyone. She's just such a nice person.